Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the full 2019 Halloween nails from Color Street. I wanted to show them to you. They are now available and mine just got in the mail. This first one is called Material Ghoul. Hard for me to say, but it's very similar to the Bloody Gorgeous last year, which basically looked like these two over here. But this year they added like a dripping blood, kind of a smeared one. So that one's really fun. It looked great on my nails and I love that one. Next up we have a glow in the dark. There are actually two glow in the darks this year. This one is adorable. I think this one's called Literally Dead. Yep. And there are different designs on some of those. And again, glow in the dark, which is so cool. I wore one similar last year and that worked really awesome. This next one is called Raise Your Spirits. Kind of has a little girl on it, some flames, little swirls. And it's like a greenish turquoise color, but then if you turn it so slightly, it kind of goes to like a bluish gray. Can you see that? I know it's a little difficult to show with how reflective these packages are, so I apologize for that. I'm trying to show it as best I can, but that one's really cool as well. Then we have Trick or Treat Yourself. And this one is just a gorgeous glitter one. It's a good reddish, little bit of orange in there. That would actually be fantastic to make into a French manicure. What I'm wearing now is called Tokyo Twinkle. I'm loving the French manicures. They were super easy to put on, and I found a hack where you can make your own from any Color Street set. So I'm going to be doing a video on that soon, and I might just use this one. We'll have to see. This one is called Creep It Real. And that one might be a little bit difficult to show, but it's basically a black nail with orange, purple, green, and a gold confetti. There's both small circles, big circles, and like little strips in there. So that one I bet will look pretty cool as well. Very Halloween-y. This one's a little similar to the pumpkins we had last year. This is called Pumpkin to Talk About. They always have such cute names, so each nail has slightly different face on it. And we have a black and orange ombre, which is really cute. And here is our last glow in the dark, Here for the Booze. And that one just has all sorts of adorable little ghosts on it. Again, glows in the dark. That's super fun. The last one, might be my favorite. I have a couple favorites. This one is called Hex Girlfriend. And like the other one, it almost changes colors a little. It's like a bluish purple. Goes brighter to darker depending on how you hold it. So that one has spider webs. We have like a sun, or a moon rather, with some clouds, some bats. That one's just really neat. And depending on how long your nails are, depends on how much is going to show. So for me, I have short nails, so I always try to look at like the halfway mark to decide what it'll look like on my fingers, if that makes sense. So if you guys have never tried Color Street and you'd like to try a sample, fortunately it's only available in the US right now. They were supposed to expand it, so I really apologize for the people living in Canada. They pushed it back, so sorry. But if you live in the US, you want to try it, I could send you what's called a twosie. They look like this. This one is a white tip French manicure. There's two different pieces on there, so one part's the tip, the other part is absolutely clear, and that's what goes over the whole nail. So that's a version of what I'm wearing now in white. Also have a solid red. This one's really pretty. That one is called Crystal Cove. I don't think I have many of that left. I have these two glitter ombre ones. The purplish one's called Pacific Waters. Pinkish one is called Coral Bay. And then I have Atlantis, which is kind of like a little mermaid fin, mermaid tail look. But if you would like to try this out, check out my description box below. I keep all the information there. You can find my email address, send me your address, let me know which sample you want to try, and I will send you a booklet. And if you have short nails like me, this is enough for 4 nails. If you have longer nails, then it's only enough for 2. But what I do is I put it on, cut it off with scissors, and I take that other half, put it on the other nail, if that makes sense. I do have other Color Street videos where I demo putting it on, so I will also link those below in my little playlist. But they're super fun, no drying time, and 100% nail polish. You'll never go back to painting your nails, I promise you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.